Hey up everybody, I'm just going to show you how I get rid of my sawdust. I burn it, but you can't just throw sawdust on a fire because it'll just smother it and put it out, but there is a way you can do it, or a way I've been doing it for years. And so I'm just going to quickly show you how I burn my sawdust. So what you just need some sort of vessel, little cardboard box. You get your sawdust. Fill your box up. I've had this going half an hour, so you just get a few embers in there. What I tend to do is put a piece of wood on there, and then all I do is just sit the box on top of it. So I'll just let you watch it for a while, and I'll probably put you on fast forward. Should have set this up really, unfortunately. So I'll just let you watch it for a while, then I'll put you on fast forward. Yeah, so any sort of cardboard box, paper bag, anything like that, if you just put the sawdust straight on the fire, excuse me, if you just put the sawdust straight on the fire, it'd just smother the fire. Excuse me. Yeah, any sort of small cardboard box or even a paper bag, if you just put the sawdust straight on the fire, it'd just smother the fire and it'd go out. But this way, it just tends to burn like a normal log. Gives off plenty of heat. You can see my cheap little stove fan going like a good one there. I mean, it's not cold, it's been a nice day today. What are we? Middle of March. So it's summer's well and truly on its way. But if you can get a bit of heat out of your unwanted sawdust, then brilliant as far as I'm concerned. That's been exactly 10 minutes now. So I'll just keep going and see how long it lasts. I'm just going to put a little bit more fuel around it. I should have pushed it back in before that happened. This makes me look a little bit daft, doesn't it? But anyway, you get the idea. So you can actually burn sawdust. I could see that happening actually, but I just I didn't want to touch it. I didn't want to get involved. So that's been, well, in another minute that'll have been 20 minutes. But it just shows if you hold it together in a block, it does burn all right. Before that fell out, I was just thinking, shall I just push it back a bit just in case? But I didn't want to do anything with it. I just wanted you to see it as it was. So what I'd normally do is put a little bit more wood in front of that now. Anyway, I'm sure you believe me. Stick it in a little box, little paper bag, whatever you've got, and you can get rid of your sawdust that way. You get a bit of free heat out of it. If I'm doing something wrong, please feel free to comment and tell me. But like I say, I've been doing this like this for a long time, so and I've never had any problems. Once again, thanks for watching.